In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload attachments in Airtable. File upload 2026. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to airtable.com. This is where all the action happens. If you're not already signed in, click sign in and use your usual method: email and password, single sign-on, or a connected account. That part is quick, and once you're in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see your workspaces and a list of recent bases. This view makes it easy to jump back into something you've been working on. If you already have a base where you want to store files, click it. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new base. Either way is fine for adding attachments. Inside the base, you'll arrive in grid view by default. Think of grid view like a spreadsheet. Each column is a field, and each row is a record. Make sure you're in the table where you want attachments to live. For example, a table of projects, clients, or assets. Now look along the top of the grid where your field names are. Scroll to the far right until you see a small plus button to add a new field. Click that plus to create a new column specifically for your files. A field type picker will appear. Use the search bar or scroll to locate attachment. Select attachment as the field type. This is the field designed for uploading files, such as images, PDFs, documents, and more. Give your new field a clear name so teammates know what belongs there, like files, contract PDFs, or product images. Check the available settings for this field and adjust them to suit your workflow, such as allowing multiple files per record if you plan to store several documents. When you're happy with the setup, click Create Field. You'll now see your new attachment column in the grid. To upload, click into a cell in that column on the row you want, then either drag and drop your file directly into the cell, or use the file picker to browse your computer or device. Each row can hold its own set of attachments, so you can keep files tied to the right record. After the upload finishes, thumbnails or file names will appear in the cell. You can preview files, download them, or remove them if you added the wrong one. That's it. You visited Airtable, signed in, opened or created a base, added an attachment field, named and configured it, and uploaded files right into your records. For best results, use consistent naming, keep files organized by record, and be mindful of storage limits based on your plan.